Okay, I'm not gonna fall. It's...
Pedal. Turn this way a little bit and pedal. Keep pedaling. Pedal, pedal, pedal. Pedal. Pedal the bike. You should be scared of not pedaling. You're gonna fall on your face. Just pedal the bike. You just turned. Look, you came all the way up here and turned all on your own. You stopped on the straightaway. You're doing good. Just pedal. Remember, last time you only made it like 10 feet on your own.
Yeah.
You made it all the way to there. Just keep pedaling. Okay?
Okay.
Let's go.
Okay.
You're doing good. You started that all on your own.
I did it myself? I did? Ay. I'm tired.
That was all you.
Okay. I can do it.
Now you can ride to the neighbor's house all on your own.
Oh. Okay.
Let's go. You just gotta keep. I'll help you because you're going uphill. Let's go.
Okay.
Go. Go, 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 go. Pedal.
Oh, sorry.
Pedal.
Okay, I need to pedal. I need to pedal.
Pedal. Push. Spin class. Push. Hey, look, you're riding uphill. Pedal. Pedal the bike. Turn a little bit. I'm right here. You're not gonna fall. Pedal. Pedal, pedal, pedal. Pedal, pedal. Turn left. Pedal. Just pedal the bike. You turned all in here.
I myself? Because I get scared of going on the cement.
You're kicking ass. You were so much better than last time.
It's
Remember
hard.
last time you made it like a quarter of the way, and that was
Yeah.
it. That was me push starting.
I feel like a little kid.
Fine.
Okay. Okay. Pedal, pedal, pedal. That was hard. Okay. Why am I so out of breath?
It's hard. It's exercise.
This is harder than spin.
Of course it is.
Okay.
You're doing great.
Oh. I have to learn how to pedal. Pedal, pedal, pedal.
You steered and you pedaled.
I have to hone into my spin instructor.
Let's go
Okay,
here, okay?
let's go. Okay.
Go.
Oh no. Okay.
You're doing great. Get a start down there and then we're done.
Then we're done. Shoot. Pedal.
Keep pedaling. That's all you, babe.
But I'm by myself.
Yes, pedal. Just
Ah.
pedal.
Pedal, pedal, pedal. Ah, there's blood.
Good job.
How do I always end up on the floor? Okay.